Yeah, we can change our Oracle applications flexibility with the help of Oracle application profile options. So with the help of these profile options, we can also change the way how Oracle applications run. Okay. So there are basically two types of profile options. One is system profile and the second one is personal profile. And the system profile, like we can change any other users different any other different users profile options. Okay, so with the help of personal profile, we can an individual can change only his particular his own profile option values. Okay, so different levels for profile options. So yesterday we were discussing about multiple levels in the profile options. They are site level, application level, responsibility, and user level. So always, like, the site level is having the lower precedence over the application level. It means if any value is set at site level, it is applicable to the all users in Oracle applications. But if any value is set at the application level, the application level profile option overrides these particular application level users. Okay, so the site level profile option value will be overridden by application level when you set both. Okay, when you set site level application and responsibility level, the responsibility level will be overriding application level. So the application level will be overriding site level. Okay, so at last the user level. So the user level is having the highest precedence over the uh, different levels in profile option. So if you set something at user level, then the user will be having the value what he set at the user level. The site level value, application responsibility level values will be overridden with the user level value. Okay, these are how the profile options are have been defined in Oracle applications. Okay, yesterday I have taken an example of the Java color scheme, the Java color scheme profile option. With the help of the Java color scheme profile option, we can change the color of the interface what we are getting. So I have changed my interface to khaki color, so that I am getting only the particular user is getting the sysadmin user is getting the khaki color user. Okay, so if I log into any other user and if I see, I will be getting the blue color interface. Okay, because the blue color interface is set at the site level and khaki color interface is set at the user level. Okay, so once if you go through the document again, you will be able to understand it clearly. See, what is the necessity of profile options and why do we need profile options? See, in Oracle applications, there are more than 50,000 plus profile options. Okay, there are 50,000 plus profile options. Okay, so here I'm just giving an example to say why do we need profile options. Okay, say one of 1,000 end users reports a problem. Okay, so there are 1,000 end users for your Oracle application. One user is only one user is facing one issue. Okay, one kind of problem. Okay, so hence, what do you have to do? So if you enable debugging for 1,000 users, what happens? The performance will get degraded. The performance of the applications will be degraded completely when you enable debugging for all the 1,000 users. So at this point of time, what you have to do? You have to enable debugging only for that particular user. So there is an option called as, like, there are some kind of profile options with the help of the profile options. So if you set the value at that particular user level, okay, so then the debugging will be enabled only for that user. Okay, okay. So at this point of time, the site level will be overridden with the user level. And next, here is one more good example. So with this example, probably you can understand everything what I have taught. So in our site level, okay, if our site level printer value is Delhi, okay, so it means, like, we have configured a printer for our Oracle application. We have configured multiple printers for our Oracle application. So the site level value for printer is Delhi. It means whoever whoever the user is, like, if any user in the Oracle applications takes any print, the prints will get printed at Delhi printer. Okay, the outputs will get printed at the Delhi printer. Okay, now there is one user. He want his prints only at his location. Let us assume he is working in Chennai. So the user wants the prints to get printed at Chennai printer. Okay, then what he'll have to do? So here the site level profile option is Delhi. Now the user will change the user level profile option value to Chennai. So what happens? The profiles, the prints will get printed at the Chennai printer. Okay, at this point of time, the prints will not get printed at the Delhi printer because the user level is having highest precedence over the site level, like that. Okay, navigation to change profile options. How to change profile options? So you go to system administrator responsibility. There is an option called as profile, system and personal. So when you click on system, the below window will be opening. So it will be showing you different levels. It will be showing you different levels. So application level, responsibility level, server level, organization level, and user level. Okay, these are the profile option levels. Okay, and we have to select at which level you want to change the value. If you want to change the value at user level, click on the user. Okay, click on the user and change the value for which user you want to change. Profile, personal. Sorry, it's not personal, it's system. So I just want to change the value for one user called as sysadmin user. I just want to change a profile option called as something related to Java. Java color scheme is purple, right? Now I'll change the color to purple, or else any other color, titanium. So now we have changed the profile option at user level to titanium, right? So the site level option is purple. Let us think like for all users, the option will be purple and I'm changing to titanium. So it's my special interest. I have changed that user level. So the user level option is what it is going to reflect for that particular user. So after bouncing or after clearing some Java cache, like you will be getting these kind of changes. Will be get that these kind of changes will get reflected after clearing some types of cache. Okay. So this is nothing but the profile options. So there are some couple of profile options. What we see. This is how we are changing. Right. We are selecting Java color scheme. This is at site level. To change at responsibility level, like we have to select any responsibility name. We have to click on responsibility and give responsibility name. Responsibilities are nothing but the ones which come over here. These are called as the responsibilities. Okay. If you want to change a system administrator responsibility, you can change. So for the entire for the users who are using that particular responsibility, that particular interface will be changed. So these are the important and useful profile options. But basically, there will be 50,000 profile options. Okay, there are more than 50,000 plus profile options in Oracle applications. So if I say something, these are only useful, it doesn't make sense. So basically, like somehow, like these are the values what we change on a regular basis. Okay, is it clear with the profiles?